Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing the Master of Tourism and Travel Management course, and the course code is MTTM3 that you can see on the screen. The total 5 questions that we will discuss in this video, and for before starting this answers of this and I want to share something. We are providing all the solutions, all the answers at your WhatsApp in just 1 minute. If you need answers of these assignments, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number. And if you need any help related to the study or any related to homework or assignments, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number that you can see here below 90093682238. You can also share these numbers to others for helping and for making the homework easier. So now the question number 1 is, what do you understand by personal management? Define the functions and the operations personal management. And what do you mean by the induction process, and discuss the activities to be undertaken by the personal department of an organization for the induction process. And discuss the process of selection, differentiate between intelligence test, aptitude test, and personality test. And what is management development? Discuss at least 7 techniques of management development. And fifth, discuss the interrelationship between motivation and productivity. Explain how understanding motivational factors can lead to productivity using Maslow's need hierarchy theory. So we discussed and we have prepared the answers of all the questions with respect to marks, which is 20. And if you need answers, so you can contact us without any thinking of on our WhatsApp number, which is showing on your screen, 90093682238. And thank you so much for watching this video. We will meet you soon in the next video with the new questions. Thank you.